What's going on, everyone? What a slow, choppy, ridiculously just slow, low volume day. Overall, it was green though, and in the Discord, in the free trades that I provide, it was also pretty green. So Apple 37%, AMD -2, Facebook -10, but then Apple again 15%, and then SPY plus 25%. So overall, it's a green day. The markets had a green day. If you guys are interested in getting free trades, free education, you can join the Discord in the link description below and in the comments. And if you want to be a part of a community of like-minded, hard-working savages that are all trying to better themselves, trying to become better traders, very hardworking, just like an amazing atmosphere. Hands down, bar none, this is the best trading community on the internet. I don't see how there's anyone else. I don't see how there's a group of people that are better in this environment, to be honest. So if you guys are interested, go ahead and join. If not, go about your life and enjoy your life. So in today's video, we're going to talk about the SPY, the NASDAQ, the IWM, your crypto markets. And yeah, let's get started with the video. All right, number one, SPY. You can see that the blue MACD line is lower. It's falling down, all right? Yet we had a green day. We closed not only above this level, we closed above 455.50, and it looks like we're about to retest 457.36 soon. So overall, this whole setup here is very, very bullish, all right? We're currently holding on to some SPY calls overnight for May 455 calls. So what basically happened was we bounced off of this level at 450 and we are now here. This was extremely strong because this candle pattern looked like it was going to come back and retest 450, but we never did. And it's extremely strong because the MACD is falling, yet the SPY is green and it's moving upwards. So that is telling us that there's a lot of strength currently in the market. So the SPY looks extremely, extremely strong. The RSI is also moving upwards. It looks like, by the way that this is going, it looks like we can test 461, which is the upper trend line here on the SPY. So 461 is going to be that level for tomorrow. It looks like this momentum looks like we can potentially touch that tomorrow or, by Wednesday. But overall, the SPY looks very, 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 very strong. All right. This is the main reason, in my opinion. Like the fact that this was happening, yet the MACD was falling lower, yet the SPY closed this green is very, very strong. And that can't be overlooked. So the SPY looks very, very bullish. Let's go ahead and take a look at the IWM. IWM, not as bullish, right? But still, nonetheless, green day. The MACD, you can clearly see that it's oversold. It's flat, right? So the MACD here is flat, yet we had a green day as well. So the RSI is also sort of flat, moving upwards very slowly. But again, green day, right? We closed above major resistance level at 207.50. Again, like this is just, we're still in an uptrend where we came back, retested the break of this bull flag. Obviously not the best drawing, but this is a bull flag. Right, we came back, retested the upper portion of the flag, and we're bouncing back off. So again, this is still very, very bullish on the IWM. Not really much else to talk about. All of, the fact that this MACD is this oversold is really, really important. And now let's go ahead and take a look at the NASDAQ. So the NASDAQ was the biggest winner today, right? We closed above major levels of resistance. We closed above all of these candles, both of these candles. We showed so much more strength than the SPY did. And now it looks like we basically are at 370 on the NASDAQ as resistance, right? So once again, the blue MACD line is falling lower. Yet we had a huge green day. So technically, from a technical standpoint on the indicators, this is so strong. Literally, like, this is really, 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 really strong. Like, I can't stress this enough, how strong this looks for the stock market. But again, when things look this blatantly strong, it it's too good to be true sometimes. So that is my only issue, because there is a lot of momentum to the upside right now. We are holding SPY calls. Things do look like they want to continue upwards, but it's just so obvious. Like the strength just looks so amazing. Like it looks like it wants to really, really break upwards. And if it doesn't work out, I mean, it is what it is. We're still decently in profit for our SPY calls. So even if the market opens lower, we'll still probably be in profit. So, yeah, man. I mean, this is it's the whole stock, all three indices, the entire stock market just looks so strong. Purely because of the break of momentum. So this divergence in the momentum, the blue MACD line is moving lower, but the NASDAQ is breaking upwards. So that's super strong. So, I mean, all three of these indices look strong. I don't want to keep repeating myself. There's not much else to look at. We can look at all the large tech stocks. They all look super strong. Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Google, Tesla, all of them look strong. You could look at any indicator. I mean, you could look at any random stock. Most of them look so strong right now. But one of the main important things that we have to look at is Bitcoin. All right, so let's go ahead and do that. All right, so Bitcoin, periodically, like around like 2 o'clock, fell below this important trend line that we were monitoring, right, a few weeks ago. And we broke down below it. The market ended up dipping to like, the SPY ended up dipping to like 454, 453, something like that. And into the close, we bounced pretty heavily. So right now, Bitcoin is holding, so technically it's holding support. This isn't the most bullish candle, obviously. This isn't like a bullish candle at all, actually. Like, I mean, like we held this support, but it's definitely not bullish, right? This is the only issue. You can see that Bitcoin is very oversold on the MACD as well. The RSI is flat. This can technically be a bear flag on Bitcoin, which is obviously a bearish pattern, which would end up breaking down lower, and then it would give us a target to around like 42,000, 43,500 in this area. But the fact that we're holding this level of support, and the fact that the entire stock market looks very strong, is good enough of a reason to hold something overnight. And we've been monitoring how the strength of Bitcoin overnight, especially when it starts to break above levels of resistance, not so much when it's so for example, if we've been monitoring it when the SPY is red, yet Bitcoin is very strong at the close, Bitcoin is a good indicator of strength into the stock market for the next day. So let's see if that persists. So Bitcoin had a pretty decent rally back. Let's see if that can continue into tomorrow for the entire stock market. But aside from that, the entire stock market looks very strong, and Bitcoin held support. There's not much else to talk about. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, do all that good stuff, and have an amazing day. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thank you.